Hello! So I'm doing a makeup look that I do every single day in 2022 to get you to look like this. Maybe not, but yeah, let's start. So I realized that my hair has stained my shirt, as you can see, so I went and changed. So I'm just put my hair up in this curl thing to get it out of the way. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my face with the aloe vera gel. So I'm just gonna apply this very gently all over my face. And then I'm gonna take my sunscreen. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And of course we have to protect our skin from the UV rays. Even though I'm not going out or anything. But yeah. And then we move on to primer, and I just apply this on my T-zone and places where I usually get the oiliest. Basically putting it anywhere that you're gonna apply makeup. So yeah. Next step is the concealer to conceal any evidence that I don't sleep enough at night. So I put this on my eye bag, some redness, and maybe some blemishes on my face. I don't really apply that much so that my real skin can still shine through even after all the makeup that I'll apply. So of course we gotta blend everything out. I usually just use my fingers to blend the concealer, since someone did tell me that our fingers are nature's greatest tools. So the next step is setting our face with powder, especially if your face gets oily like mine. So I usually concentrate this under the eyes where it usually creases the most, and of course the T-zone, like my nose, under the chin, and my forehead. Up next we have contour. I'm just taking this contour powder and applying it under my cheekbones, which I don't really have a prominent cheekbone, but I'm just placing it there to give you a more chiseled look. Yeah, and also on my nose bridge and my chin. Next we move on to blush. So I have this puff thingy that I don't really use. I just use a brush over here, and I just apply it on my cheek area with the brush going outwards. So up next we're moving on to eyeshadow. So I'm using this color for my base. Then I'm taking this color and putting it around the middle of my eye. And then this color next to the other color from earlier. And then this color towards the end of my eyes. It's basically just a gradient look that I do every single day. And of course, you shouldn't forget to blend even towards your lower lash line so it doesn't look empty. So on days where I have a bit more time, I take a darker color and put it on the upper outer lash line to give my eyes a bit more depth. And of course, don't forget to always blend it out so it looks more even. So of course we need some sparkle in our life, so we add some shimmer to the inner corners of my eyes. To further define my eyes, I'm just going to use this eyeliner to draw a small wing at the outer corners of my eyes. Next is the eyebrows. I just brush my hairs up first, and then I just fill in the empty spaces on my eyebrows just to make it look more even. And sorry if it looks a little blocky, but after I brush it out again, it's gonna be fine. Yeah, so we have to brush until it looks a bit more natural. Now taking my lip liner that's almost empty, I just line my lips and take this lipstick, which is actually a color changing lipstick with a flower in it, and I just apply it all over my lips, which gives off a very soft red color. And then taking this matte lip velvet in a darker color and just applying it in the inner parts of my lips, and then blending it with my fingers. And I also applied the excess on my cheeks to give me more color. And finally, the last step, I just use this mist and spray it all over my face. And that's it. That's the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the makeup look that I did. So maybe you can leave a like and even subscribe onto my YouTube channel, which is Pam Sanama. So thank you and bye!